Here's our sitting girl. Wowzers! Good job, Stella. She would be smiling not at Mommy, but rather at Chella. Chella is eagerly watching for the spit up. She believes she's the spit up crew. Good job, Stella.
Spit up cleaning crew over there.
Good job.
Yeah. Except for the drool.
All right.
Hey, look at you sitting up. You little monkey. Look at those monkey toes. Look at them monkey toes. Pretty good, eh? Now, just what do we do with this? What do we do with this position? Can't really go anywhere except to sit taller. You have toes? Those are your toes. Get fluffies in between your toes. There's some big toes you got right there.
Good job, Stella. Well,
You.
excellent job, baby.
You're stuck, are you? Can't really do much.
Sit her back a little. Help her sit up straight. See if she can do that. Yeah, you can see more that way, eh?
Almost drooled on Daddy. God. Look who this is.
Look at the Yuka and the purple hippo. Oh, she just... Oh, wowzers.